Hello friends! I would like to share with you today. This fully automatic double-head crimping terminal machine is one out and one out. It mainly uses the cutting wire of no or 16 to no, 30 electronic wires, peeling and crimping terminals at one time. It is equipped with pressure monitoring. The benefits of installing pressure monitoring. For example, if the type product is of poor quality, the machine will automatically identify and alarm. This wire is silicone wire. The total length of the cutting wire is 30 millimeters. Only 26 millimeters is left in the middle. Let's take a look at the video of the machine running.
Đây,